Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to poke someone on Facebook. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Now scroll down and you will see that there is no dedicated page for pokes. Now let me show you how you can poke someone. First tap on Help and Support. Then go to Help Center. Now tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. Now type in poke on the search bar. Now tap on How do I poke someone on Facebook. On the next page, tap on Pokes page. And you will land on the Pokes page. And here you will see all the persons who have poked you. And then you will see a suggestion list of the person whom you can poke. Now to poke a person, all you have to do is tap on poke just beside their name. And that's how you can poke a person on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.